everyone and welcome to GobbledyCook. Today's recipe, Alur Khosha bhaja or fried potato skins, is a simple but powerful representative of the tip to tails philosophy that is so inherent in Bengali cuisine, where no part of the vegetable is wasted, including the peels. Simple to cook but loaded with flavor, this is a dish that you have to try. For more such recipes, please do subscribe to my channel. And no more discarding peels. Let's get gobbledygooking. Peel some potatoes and collect the skins. Keep the peels thicker than you usually would. Wash thoroughly in water to remove excess starch. This will ensure that they are crispy when fried. Cut them in halves if the peels are long so that they fry easily. Soak in water so they do not discolor. Dry them by pressing between two kitchen towels to remove any excess moisture. Let's mix some dry ingredients. Gram flour, rice flour, poppy seeds, turmeric powder, Nigella seeds, red chili powder. Add some mustard oil. Add salt to taste. Mix everything and set aside for about 15 minutes. Heat some mustard oil in a skillet. We strongly recommend using mustard oil, but if you don't like it, use any cooking oil. Once the oil is smoking hot, shallow fry the peels on medium heat. Keep them spread out. Flip over from time to time for both sides to cook evenly. Cook until fries are golden brown and crisp. Strain out in a colander. Serve with some hot rice and dal and enjoy.